Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum has basically been trending just sideways today, dancing on the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level at 1845. Primary expectation at the moment is that we're coming down in this wave too. You should know about that by now, right? We've been talking about that for a while now. It's been basically moving sideways since March, a really boring range in which we currently are. Idea is we topped in a wave 1 in April. We're now coming down in a wave 2 in an A, B, C correction. The idea is that the B wave completed on the 6th of May at $2,022. And the idea is that we're now in this C wave, in a 5-wave move down. I don't really like the look of it. I say that very clearly. There are quite a few alternative scenarios here. We talked about them. For example, it could be that we are exploring a larger B wave, which means that the B wave here will be reset a little higher. That is technically still possible. Yeah. So if we go higher from here, I would first of all view this as a high B wave, depending on the structure, but I would probably view this as a high B wave first. There are ways of counting this, but above the April high, if we get a breakout, I will think, or I would assume we are directly in a third wave rally. Okay, but it's very hard to be bullish at this stage because we have such a clear B wave top already and we've been coming down. The only thing why I think we could get a higher B wave is that a lot of altcoins are deep in support. Yeah, I published today my member only altcoin video. Honestly, a lot of altcoins are very deep in support, in their relevant support areas. They can't afford to drop much lower. But if if Ethereum really is following this path here and maybe drops another 10-15%, I mean, a lot of these altcoins will invalidate their bullish potentials. So I'm thinking they are all deep in support. Who's lying? Is Ethereum lying? Is Bitcoin lying? Are the altcoins lying? I wouldn't be surprised if we get a surprise bounce tomorrow. I have to say it very clearly, and I want to say it before we get the CPI. Because while the trend is down short term, really, if you zoom out, we're just moving sideways. And today we've just been dancing on that Fib level. Yeah, a lot of altcoins have been selling off. They are very deep in support. I see a lot of oversold ranges on the altcoin sector. So yeah, just have to say it as it is, but that's why we have our objective levels given by Elliott Wave. So as long as we stay below that 1913 level, which is the 78.6 retracement of the move down, I assume we go down directly. A break above that would be a first warning that we will reach again 2022, maybe even a bit higher. Okay, so that's the level to watch out for. And if we break below the Monday low, which is at 1815, I think we are following this path further to the downside. And currently it seems like we have created here a 1-2 setup and would sell off next in a third wave. That would be a third wave of a third wave, and that should be very impulsive. And then we should head deeper into this yellow support area, and the support levels were stated in previous videos, but important is that we should not drop below 1533. If we do, then this overall bullish scenario will get very unlikely. However, at the moment we are very far away from that level and have imminent support at 1845, 1754 and 1663. Bear in mind that today, when CPI is coming out, there will be quite a few distortions and probably some additional volatility. So yeah, I mean, again, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a bounce to the upside in a B wave. The only thing is that would not necessarily be bullish. It would rather be a B wave, most likely, yeah, which would then come down again. But there are quite a few alternative scenarios here at the moment. At the moment, I'm just not doing anything because we're still in the corrective range, really. It started to follow through to the downside, but really hasn't broken support yet. So it's still a bit of a patience game and to see if CPI tomorrow can break the range. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.